Welcome to Chef Pachi's Power Mix. It's a mix that is full of antioxidants, antivirals, great nutrients that will keep your skin and your bones healthy and wonderful.
Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi, here we go. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna place our washed and dried mint or spearmint leaves in our blender. I have grated and frozen ginger, but you can do the fresh grated ginger, walnut oil, and lime juice. This is it. 4 powerful ingredients that help with inflammation, may lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, help digestion, reduce nausea and weight loss, even lower your blood sugar. How about that? This is a power blend. So we blend all of the ingredients and this is it. We have Chef Pachi Power Blend. At hand, refrigerate it 1 or 2 weeks for anything you want. That is going to keep you hydrated with beautiful skin and strong. Here we have 3 examples. One is a drink that you can have pre-exercise right when you wake up in the morning after you've had your glass of water. And it's basically a teaspoon of Chef Pachi Power Mix with some almond milk. If you're gonna exercise right away, you wanna give something to your body so that it breaks the evening fast and you can exercise and burn calories. The second one is a post-exercise smoothie, and we're gonna use soy milk or dairy milk. Because this is our protein, you will not need any protein powder. Half a banana or one of those tiny bananas, a quarter of an avocado, 2 teaspoons of Chef Pachi Power Mix, and that's it. If you're gonna exercise for over 50 minutes or you're gonna do very strenuous exercise, add a quarter of a cup of oats. You can add some honey if you want. I would add some manuka honey because manuka honey is super protective to your stomach, but so is the avocado. So if you have stomach problems, some acidity, that avocado is gonna be the best. This is a powerful power mix for people that have acid reflux and digestive problems. This is our third mix. Here we're gonna have a daily refreshing drink for those days that is very hot or for the days where our skin is very dry. All we have to do is blend some coconut milk and ice and a teaspoon of our delicious Chef Pachi Power Mix that will hydrate your skin, keep it beautiful and shiny and delicious. If you like it sweeter, you can also add a half a teaspoon of honey or manuka honey or whatever kind of sweetener that you want that's natural. With these drinks, you're gonna keep your skin radiant, you're gonna keep your bones and your muscles healthy, and remember, it's antiviral. Chef Pachi, where delicious diets are sustainable diets. Enjoy! Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.